Darla from Crafty Yarn. Welcome. So how is everyone doing? I'm doing okay. It's really hot in my house right now. I just went outside to do something and there's a cool breeze blowing out there. So yeah, I hope I have time to sit out there and enjoy it later. All right. So I want to talk to you today about Rose. Hi, Rose. Rose likes crochet. She donates to an organization called Wings. They're a domestic violence organization. And they're in the Chicago area. And she asks her viewers to make certain items for certain months that are on Wings' wish list. So I'll have all that information below. Excuse me. For the month of September, they're asking for sets, hat and scarf sets, or hat and maybe fingerless glove sets, I'm not sure, but sets. So I made a whole bunch. I do have tutorials I think for all of these I have in this bag right here. And so I'll link those below if you'd like to use those tutorials, great. So they're accepting these items for September. And so I'm going to send a bunch of these over to Rose probably the middle of August, because I'm in Canada, she's in the States, in Chicago area, so it'll take a while to get to her. But some of these will go for Wings, some of these will go to a local women's resource center here in Winnipeg, which is in my area of Winnipeg. So let's take a look what I made. Now some of these were made a while back and I'm not sure of the yarn if it has wool in it. So some of them I am going to mark may contain wool because some people are allergic to it. And I do have a couple that I made that I know for sure has wool in them because I have the labels right in with the hat and scarf set, so yay me. So let's take a look what I'll be sending to Rose. And some, like I said, I'll donate locally. So if you guys have not heard of Rose Likes Crochet and what she does by donating to a local, her local domestic violence organization, then you need to check her out. Yeah, they accept different things every month, so she'll have a list below her videos of what their wish list is. So yeah, or by all means, if you can, donate locally, of course. So this is a design of mine. I made this one quite a while back, and there's a scarf. Actually, this was a crochet along. Yes, it was. And I have the matching scarf. So that's one set. And then I have this really beautiful green one. This is the same pattern. Oh, it's a brighter green than I see on my screen. But that's another set, scarf and hat. And then this is a different design that I have a tutorial on for the hat and the scarf. It should be all in one tutorial for the set. I think it is. So, okay, now these are definitely wool. This one and the scarf. So that's definitely wool. And then I have another one. I think this was from a couple of balls, maybe 3 balls of the same same yarn. So these have wool in them. I put the label in one of the hats. Okay, I can even tell you what yarn this is. This is from Hirschner's. It's pastry puff yarn. Oh, pastry puff, and it's a medium 4 weight, 70% acrylic, 30% wool. let's see, 139 grams, 228 yards, hand wash, made in China. This color, I don't think they had a color. But anyway, as you can see, it's purples and light pinks and kind of a raspberry maybe? I'm not sure. But yeah. So that was from Hirschner's Pastry Puff Yarn. Okay. So this next one, this may be the, is that the same design as the first ones I showed you? I think it is. Yeah, but anyway, like I said, the tutorials will be linked below, and help yourself. Yeah, and this would be the same design as well. And what else? And this one here, this is that second design I showed you. And there's a scarf to go with it with fringe. And this yarn, I can tell you what yarn this is too. This is Lion Brand Basic Stitch Reflective. So this will go with, this label will go with these items. And let's see, this is called Pure Platinum. Medium 4 weight, 88 acrylic, 12 polyester, machine washable and dryable. 70 grams, 115 yards. So it's kind of neat that it's reflective, right? Yeah. Okay, stick that label or that ball band in the hat. All right, so here's another one. This is the second design I showed you. So that's a scarf and hat set. And I have one more here. This is also a design that I made. So I'll link that tutorial below as well. This is the hat. It's not for really cold days, as you can tell, if there's a wind blowing. And there is also, this can be worn as a hat, as an ear warmer, look like a crown, or you wear it this way as an ear warmer, or as a neck warmer, that way, or up like that. So there's the hat, the ear warmer, and there are also gloves, and I have tutorials for these as well. So these are fingerless gloves. So I'll send that whole set as well. Or I'll donate it either here or there. And that is it. So you guys still have some time. You don't have to send them until, you know, middle of August or late August, depending on where you live, and not any sooner because Rose doesn't have the storage area, right? So make it as close to September as you can, and she'll show it on her channel, whatever you send. So that's really exciting. So yeah, I need to get some bags to put these in. And remember, make sure if there is wool in your projects to make sure you mark them. If you don't know there's wool, like I said, I'm going to put may contain wool, just to be on the safe side. We don't want anybody to have an allergic reaction. But these will all be put in separate bags, each set. And yeah, so isn't it great to give? It is so fun to give because, wow, somebody's going to be wearing an item that you donated, or using, depending on what it is, using an item you donated. That is super special. And with these, they will be warm and cozy and just loved, because there's so much love that goes into our projects that we make. And I'm so happy to be part of this. All right, so you guys, you take care, and I'll see you soon.